Hey y'all, it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge, and it is Wednesday, and so we're on our fourth day of 7 days of projects. Today we're doing this guy. This is a swinging arm plant hanger, bird feeder hanger. The first guy I made this for, he wanted something. He had a bird feeder. He lived in an apartment. He wanted to mount it to a post and be able to swing it out, but be able to swing it back to change it. So this is what I kind of came up with, and since then I've made a lot of them. And you can use them for bird feeders, you can use them for potted plants, you can use them for chicken feeders, just anything you can think of. So we're going to do a little bit of welding on this, but let's get it going. Our materials in this, this is a piece of 1/2 inch Schedule 40 pipe. It just came out of the scrap pile. It's, I think, about 4 inches long. This is about 4.5 inch square-ish plate. This is off a piece of equipment I cut off of. I don't remember. Anyway, it's out of the scrap pile. It's not new material, neither one of these. The only new material, this is 1/2 inch round stock, 30 inches long. You want to make sure that your round stock will fit into your tubing. And this is all the material we need for this. This piece of plate is pretty funky, so I'm going to clean some of this paint off. I've got a pretty worn flap disc. I'm just going to take it down with that. That's not terrible. That'll do. They're just bending it. This is the part that'll go in the pipe. You want to bend it just a little past 90. Do something like that. Taper this end down. little more heat on that. Okay, I'm quenching the tip. And you don't have to do a full-on hook here. What I'm doing is just putting enough of a curve to keep a handle from popping off of this thing, then making sure it's straight. Yeah. That is what we're hunting for. I need to drill a hole in each corner of the plate. It does not have to be super accurate, but I do like to center punch before I drill. Just drilling 1/4-inch holes. Got my holes drilled. Now I'm going to hit it with a flat disc a little bit, clean it up, get ready to weld. Once I've got the plate mounted here, I put a little white lithium grease on this piece. And you can see that it'll pivot wherever you want it. And you can hang a bird feeder or a hanging pot or a lantern or a chicken feeder or whatever you want to on it. Well, y'all, that's it. And like I said, once again, just use these ideas and use the materials that pop into your mind. You can do it any way you want to, and you can make it for any reason. You can also use anything in this in any other project. Your imagination is the only thing that's going to stop you in this process. But anyway, so tomorrow, which will be Thursday and be our, fifth day in our 7 days of projects, I'm making something out of a railroad spike. I'm making a wall-mounted bottle opener. This is a very simple, straightforward project. Even the very beginner blacksmith should be able to do this. So I'll see you tomorrow at noon for this one. Now, if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me make, please leave that down in the comments below. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all behave yourselves.